Hello, welcome to Simple English Mizo YouTube channel. Voina hianin English kan practice le don ani. Tuna kan practice tur te po hi an poimo ema. Hetiang te hi Sap Tawng Thiam tu ni chuan lo theilawa isoi pur thei tur te ani chu wang chuanin tuna lemai muang hianin achung zo mai che party keman klo soinga mi ba party nangman lo soiro. Ti chuanin cái YouTube channel hi mình là subscribe fi lon chen khoi tak mình lo subscribe sakla ti chuanin mamo tur angai share thin te hin apo mình lo share sak ve nge thin tur chen ka som tak se cheni ole tu na chun tan ngalang what is your name an noi se role what is your name okay where are you from where are you from voi ni zel soyang how old are you how old are you when is your birthday when is your birthday where were you born where were you born where do you live where do you live what is your phone number what is your phone number what is your email address what is your email address what do you do what do you do what is your marital status what is your marital status are you married are you married how many children do you have how many children do you have do you have any siblings do you have any siblings who do you live with who do you live with what time do you have breakfast what time do you have breakfast what time do you go to bed what time do you go to bed what is your favorite food what is your favorite food what are your hobbies what are your hobbies how many languages do you speak how many languages do you speak an hnuai mi pa party soir a pahnih hian isoi tur part kha ilo sei zo mane ole tuna chuanin maiche party nang mani lo soinga mi ba party ke man kalo soi ve tong o let's go maiche party soiro le achunga mi soila anoi mi kalo soyang my name is Tony I'm Ton tipon soi thaini voi ni zelo achunga mi soiro le voi ni in I'm from Canada I'm from Canada I am 24 years old I'm 24 years old My birthday is on June 2nd. My birthday is on June 2nd. I was born in Toronto. I was born in Toronto. I live in Los Angeles, California. I live in Los Angeles, California. My phone number is 202-565-7355. My phone number is 202-565-7355. It's Tony2@gmail.com. It's Tony2@gmail.com. I'm a doctor. I am a doctor. I am married. I'm married. No, I'm single. No, I'm single. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I live with my wife and children. I live with my wife and children. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. I like listening to music, shopping, and reading books. My hobbies are listening to music, shopping, and reading books. I like listening to music, shopping, and reading books. My hobbies are listening to music, shopping, and reading books. I speak only one language. It is English. I speak 3 languages: French, English, and Spanish. I speak only one language. It is English. I speak 3 languages: French, English, and Spanish. Voina kan practice sau hi lo practice non la ti chuanin I bai ha to sa de po ni mai thai I hriat to sa de po I hriat nel nol de po ni mai thai chuwang chuanin I ka I soi tum kha I soi par thu ni chuanin voi ni voi thum lo en non tur chen he video hi ka som du tak se cheni ti chuanin lo practice tam turin ka som du bok cheni chutianga iti na chuanin ama ain sap tawng mai son ngei ang ti ka tiam ngam che ni ole heta hianin du tok phutang next video kan hmule don ya ti chun ka YouTube channel hi mlo subscribe sang ngei ro bye bye